in the city of Mumbai in the coming 4 to 5 months, which we call Integrated Setu, iSetu, and where we are including not just the state government departments but also central government departments and the other autonomous bodies and the local self-governments. So all these bodies along with the utility providers in the private sector is what these centers will be catering to the requirements. For example, railway reservation, the state transport reservation, the payment facilities for various phones, all these facilities will be available from any of these counters. A person doesn't have to go to a particular office to transact his business. So this is our roadmap from Setu of the department concerned. From 500 at present, we want to reach to more than 1,500 in about 2 years' time, and also to integrate all these Setus to create iSetus, and finally to integrate all the iSetus at the central level for a mega Setu. Now this will finally achieve our objective, we believe, by 15th August 2005 of delivering to our citizens anytime, anywhere and anyhow.
Ours is a public organization, and our organization is concerned with the people's day-to-day life. Our efficiency depends upon how quickly we solve the public problem. So ours is the age of information and technology. So my predecessor has taken a policy decision that to redress the public grievances, there should be some modern system. It's a beginning. We are trying our level best to make it a stable one and try to redress the public grievances as fast as possible.
We intend extending this program at all levels of government. At the present, almost all the districts of Maharashtra are covered under this program. It is applicable at the district level, tehsil level, as well as at the village level. But we want to extend it to other government departments also and ensure that the people get all the information that they want as quickly as possible. In this entire program, some societies have come forward to work actively. They have trained young girls and boys. We have also got some financial assistance from some of the public as well as contributions, voluntary contributions from some people. I think this program can be extended to the rest of the country also. The basic principle is the same: use of the computer through NGOs, employment to local people, and quick service to the people at large. I hope that this can be extended to other parts of the country and government can extend assistance and better service to the people.